Hello everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. Welcome to my kitchen where I will show you how to make potato pancakes. These are fairly quick and easy and only take about a half an hour to make. We'll just mix a few simple ingredients together and fry it until it's golden brown. Start by peeling 7 or 8 medium-sized potatoes. And this recipe will make enough for about 8 pancakes. Then wash the potatoes really well. Then grate all the potatoes into larger shreds. Then dump the shredded potatoes into a large mixing bowl. Next, you will grate about a half a cup of sweet onion and add that to your potatoes. Now crack open a large egg and mix it up really well and add that to the potatoes and onion mixture. Next, add a 1/4 cup of flour on the generous side of your measurement. Now then add a half a teaspoon of pepper and also a half teaspoon of salt. And then take a large spoon and mix it in until it's really well incorporated like this. Now take a mid-sized frying pan and start heating it up over medium to high heat. Then take a good rounded tablespoon of butter or margarine and start that melting in the pan. Then you take the potato mixture and you spoon it into the pan, making your pancakes about 3 inches across. And then pat them down just a little bit so that they're probably about a 1/2 inch thick. You want them so that they'll cook through nicely. Now you can make them bigger if you want to, just don't make them too thick through. I think this size is just about right. Now as they're frying, you're going to need to stay right with them and to adjust your heat from medium to high and back again depending on how they're doing. You will flip them over once they start to turn brown on the one side. And unlike other pancakes, you can flip these back and forth if you want to, if you need them to be a little bit more brown. Not a big deal. And it's so nice when they're turning out golden and crispy. That's what makes them so good. When you first put them in the pan, the batter needs to set well, so don't flip them too quick or they'll fall apart. So flip them back and forth until they look golden brown on both sides like this. And you may need to add a little bit of butter as it's cooking as well. Now of course these are best served hot, fresh from the pan. You can add a little salt and pepper to taste, but there is salt and pepper in it, so you shouldn't need to. And it's also good with a little bit of ketchup on it. And now for a little bit of fun factor. Who would have thought that you could actually shape these? So if you're cooking dinner for that someone special, you might just want to take out a heart-shaped cookie cutter, making sure that it's a metal one so that it can take the heat a little bit. Place some of the batter in it like this, then let it fry for a couple of minutes. Then gently lift the sides to lift it up like this so that the heat doesn't transfer into the cookie cutter. Then gently lift it up and remove the cookie cutter like this until it finishes browning on the one side. And then take your lifter and flip it over and brown it on the other side. Then once again, pat it down a little bit. Now there you have it, a heart-shaped potato pancake. Now you can even decorate that with a little bit of ketchup to outline the outside of it. Just a cute way to impress. Now the total amount of time for these to fry would be approximately 5 to 10 minutes per side. That depends again on how thick through they are and how well you regulate your heat. Now that the pancakes are ready to serve, eat them while they're hot and with a little ketchup on the side. These are absolutely delicious. I hope you make them and enjoy. And until next time, happy eating.